Mag-upgrade ha, wag mo na mag-asawa, utoy.
Huwag mo na mag-asawa. Don't get married. Isa. Upgrade your life.
Kung nakabibo kayo, mag-iPhone kayo.
Yes. From
Biglang
Vivo
ano?
to iPhone. Don't get married. Isa. Upgrade yourself. Don't get stressed. From Vivo to Samsung, Samsung to iPhone.